We shoot fireworks on 4th of July to remember Independence Day. The first Independence Day was 4th of July, 1776. All it took was to make confetti and to launch it. And then we could pull back on it, and the force from the cap push it up. We're going to take the balloon and put it on here, and then poke a hole at the bottom so we could tie the string and put it in there. And then we're going to put the balloon around the end, and then use the blue string to tie it around. And then we're going to we're trying to make it where it can fit right here. The balloon's not working that much, but I think that we're supposed to stretch it out more, and then more the confetti will come out. Because when we tried it, only 1% came out. We were planning to do a string here and then put it down, but how would the pressure go up? So we decided to get a balloon and then just pull some of the balloon and it would pop out.